Never mix Epsom salt in warm water unless you want to heal your dog's sore paws and reduce swelling. Simply dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt in warm water. You've now created a healing paw soak that reduces inflammation, draws out infections, soothes cracked pads, and relieves arthritis pain naturally. If you want to know more dog wellness tips, I have a newsletter where I share weekly tips. Comment "bark" and I'll send it to you. Just make sure you're following or you won't get the message. And share this with another dog owner who would love these simple tips.